Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us today. We're going to...
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello, everyone. Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty, Keller Williams Realty Group, coming to you today with the 3Rivers Market Report for December 18, 2024. Got a lot of optimism in this report. A bunch of up arrows, definitely one. Yeah, so it's looking like we still got a market, still got a ton of pent-up buyer demand. I know, for instance, we have 20 willing, able, and ready buyers right now, so we're looking for houses. So if you're looking at making a move, let us know. We'd be glad to see if we can make a match or find another buyer for you. We're glad to help out. So we saw active available inventory down 18 week over week to 610, showing down 3% week over week, which means people are still buying. Inventory is still getting stripped, especially when we see that new listings are up. Active available homes are up 20% over last year's inventory. New listings came in up 37% week over week, up 34% year over year. And for the first time in a while, we've seen less price reductions than new listings. I think new listings came in at 142 and price reductions were only 95. So I know some people have been watching that as a metric. So showing some strength in the market. Solds came in up 24% week over week, up 25% year over year. Pendings came in up 8% week over week, up 6% year over year. Median sale price for the week came in at $238,500, showing 18% appreciation versus the number last year at this time. We're seeing the last 12 rolling median sale price coming in at $247,500, showing 7% appreciation over the last rolling 12 months. Days on market we saw come in at 25 average, 16 median, which is just a little bit slower than last year when it was 23 and 10. So still showing a constant market there. Last 12 months homes sold were 4,427, and the total value on that, get a load of this, $1.2 billion in the last 12 months. Real estate sold in just Fort Wayne Metro. And that's versus 4,254 homes sold last year at this time. So we're showing about 4% faster than last year. But remember, last year was our recession year. So we're showing to get a balanced market, we need about 2,213 and a half buyers. So with 610 available active listings, we have about 3.6 buyers per listing. So still a seller's market, still just under 2 months inventory by my calculations. And that is your market report in a nutshell. Everyone make it a great day. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year if I don't see you before then. Grace and peace.